Welcome to the Salon Professional Academy. I'm Amber Fox, Director of Operations here at TSPA Shorewood, along with Jill Conway, our lead educator, and together we would love to extend our warmest welcome.
We are so excited to show you a glimpse of what our award-winning academy has to offer.
What they can expect as soon as they walk in is a friendly environment. When they come in day one, they're so open to the learning process, which is really cool for us to see.
I think when they receive their kit, it's kind of like receiving the first step to their future. So they're being given all of these things, and it's exciting because now they have to learn how to use all of them.
Getting the kit is like Christmas morning for the students. The big intro and the big bonus is getting the iPad. So everything's digital now, which is really cool. For the ones that like to actually physically flip the pages, highlight themselves, as opposed to doing everything on the iPad, we have the book too. So we're really able to gauge all types of learners now with digital and the book as well. We teach them to build their business. We teach them to get referrals. We teach them to pre-book clients. We teach them how to sell retail. They will build their business while they're here, and they're gonna enjoy doing it.